see. Oh, Cameron, I'll let you see on TV. Cameron, go get by Linda so we can see you.
No, Mama.
Got mine.
Got
You got yours? Everybody got their bumblebee?
I got mine.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Bring me home, my baby. Bumblebee. Want my mommy, be so proud of me. I'm bringing on my baby, Bumblebee. Oh, he's done me. I'm squishing up my baby, Bumblebee. Want my mommy, be so proud of me. Squishing up my baby, Bumblebee. What a mess. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Want my mommy, be so proud of me. Wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Look, no more Bumblebee. Don't be so shy. Huh? You gonna catch him now? Yeah, Brittany's fingernails are painted and Cameron's fingernails are painted. What color are yours painted? No, your fingernails. Look. What color? And yours are? Pink. Oh, yours painted too? Yours painted pink too. Mine aren't painted. Mine are white. I don't know, Ron. I think it's just gone away. Come on over here and sing a song with me. Yes. No, we just sang that. Y'all know about the 5 little speckled frogs?
Catherine, can you wave to us? Catherine, hey. Are you getting tired? Did somebody say something to me?
No, they were I need his camera equipment that wasn't in the lunch room.
Oh. I did see Sandsbury, they had camera equipment out there. You know, Maris.
Yeah.
Catherine, why are you being fussy? I can't quite understand.
Are you done? It was done. I'll dump you, Rebecca. Woo! What a ride. Can you put your shoes back on, please? Now put Brittany's shoes on. Put your own shoes on. I'm gonna dump it. I'm gonna dump.
Cameron. I see you. Can you give me a big smile? Okay, I'm gonna go over. Garrett, can you give me a big smile? No, not right now. Okay, maybe later. Brittany, can you give me a big smile? Ooh, that's nice. That's very pretty.
What, honey? Good boy. Thank you. Where's your sock then?
Rebecca, can you wave to me? Ooh. Rebecca, what are you doing right now? Are you playing with the record player or the tape? Are you listening to the music?